Welcome. This video training is about Excel and changing the format cells for dollars. About displaying large numbers like thousands or millions can take up a large area on your screen, and we want to try to condense that if possible. You may have seen before that K or M are used to represent thousands or millions. Show fewer zeros for millions, like 23M instead of 8 extra digits. In the format cells custom, we can actually change and express 0.0 comma comma space M will actually allow us to use a smaller space of numbers. We're going to show you that in just a second. So this training video examines the capability of changing the number of zeros in the data cells when that seems appropriate. For example, displaying again $23 million number is actually 8 digits. That's 6 zeros and 2, and let's say 23. And when creating some tables or pivot tables and charts, the numbers can end up displaying many zeros in the chart, and it can look very cluttered. There is a way in Excel to convert the 8 digits to a smaller number and use the M for the representation of the million. Let's take a look at how to make the formatting changes. There are also formats for billions and trillions if that fits your need. So we're going to take a look at that now. So like we have done in the pivot tables in the past, we actually select the 4 columns, go to pivot table, click OK, leave the new worksheet as it is. In this particular exercise, we're going to go ahead and select the insured value in the state just to give us a representation. Notice how big and large the numbers are right now. We're going to right mouse click and change, go to custom. Go down, we're looking for the 00 or 0.0 comma comma M. I don't see it, so let me type that in here real quick. At 0.0 comma comma space quote M quote. And notice how to put up in the sample 92.9 I think it was. So now if you look, the numbers are much smaller. So when you go to create a pivot table, notice the results. Much smaller numbers. Now you can manipulate these and make them bigger, make them smaller. You can play around with it. You can make them millions, billions, trillions, and change the letter and so forth. So if you notice now, as we add in all of the different data elements, it's much easier to be able to read the formatting and so forth if this works. And also down below in the axis you can see everything that's there. So I'm going to save this, and that's the end of this training video. Let's finish an assignment now.